Hi, this is Mono. So this final project for web analytics is from Abdul Malik and Mono Chako. So we chose a discussion forum to actually do the final analysis. So we found a data set in Kaggle, which actually has got a lot of information about the Rediff discussion forum. So basically, it's like any discussion forum where people write their comments and things like that. So we found it very interesting to use that for analysis. It's a large data set, so we actually took that data set and put it in our database and then smoothed it for easy management. So basically, what we're trying to achieve here is try to see the importance of the node, centrality, and whether the sentiment, positive or negative, has got effect to that. So here, I'm just going to go quickly because of lack of time. We loaded the CSV file here, and this is the weight, just a display of top 15. This is a shape, and we created a graph. So quickly going to the graph, we found this is the entire network of a data set. There's a larger amount out there, but we took a subset. And this is a network. We found a lot of the nodes were not connected, so we were interested only in the ones in the middle. We also use Gephi, the network tool, to do an analysis, and it was very interesting. We found here that there are many, like here you have communities around. There are many communities. They are actually formed. So we also use the Gephi's Force Atlas tool preset to narrow down and make a better view of the network. So I'm just going to quickly go over these are the edges and nodes and stuff like that. And there's a display of the degree centrality. And okay, so we found that cat named Java was one of the important nodes there. So we did a diagram for that. And this is from Gephi again for centrality and betweenness filters. We found a cat named Java was very prominent there. So we took sentiment, the comments, and did sentiment analysis for speed reasons. We extracted that into Excel file using the algorithms function that is outlined here. And then we extracted those ones for neutral, positive, and negative. These are just the statistics that you see here. And quickly going down here, we did a stats on those. These are the histogram data. And okay, so what we did is we took the previous data that of the network, and we merged it with the sentiment analysis. Sentiment piece, and this is the aggregate merged data. So this is the average sentiment here, the betweenness and degree here, there's a count. So that gave us a clear picture and enabled us to actually do analysis on to find if the positive, if say for example you have a negative comment, we wanted to find if people were more negative, did their centrality increase? Or the other way. We did not find any evidence there, so I'm just going to quickly go down here. Okay, so the conclusion here is we did not find any evidence of correlation between the sentiment of the comment and the betweenness. It was everybody formed a separate network, subnetwork, and they were independent. There were some difficulties that we faced. Like large amount of data, extracting the sentiments from words, few words that was not very clear, like emojis and stuff like that, symbols. So those were the things. So thank you for this, and hope you have a great holiday.